Are you ready to uncover the powerful transformations that await you in 2025? Do you wonder what makes this year so pivotal in the journey of spiritual awakening? If so, this video is for you. Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you a highly anticipated video that I know many of you have been waiting for. We're diving deep into what makes 2025 the year of awakening, a year filled with profound opportunities for personal growth, expanded consciousness, and stepping into your true purpose. This is more than just another year. It's a gateway to discovering the best version of yourself and embracing the energy shifts that are unfolding all around us. By watching this video, you'll gain valuable insights into why 2025 is being called the Year of Awakening and how you can align yourself with its transformative energy. You'll learn practical ways to harness these shifts to elevate your spiritual journey, create meaningful change in your life, and step confidently into the path meant for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with others who might find it helpful, and follow the channel to stay updated on more content like this. Let's unlock the magic of 2025 together and embrace the awakening that awaits. Number 1. The Year of Awakening. The year 2025 heralds a profound shift in humanity, a remarkable movement of consciousness that sets the foundation for a new Earth. This transformation carries immense significance, particularly for twin flames, as it is a year filled with unparalleled potency for both unions and missions. What does this mean for you? It marks a time of consolidation and alignment, where twin flames are called to come into union and harmonize their missions with the heightened energetic frequencies of the Earth. This is not merely a year of change, it is a pivotal moment for those ready to step into their divine roles and contribute to the collective awakening. In 2025, the nature of missions has evolved dramatically. The patterns and energies that define the last 12-year cycle have served their purpose and are no longer relevant in this new era. Instead, this foundational year requires a deeper understanding of love's transformative power and a commitment to align with it. Twin flames are stepping into a critical role as carriers of unconditional love, serving as beacons of light for humanity and contributing to the creation of an entirely new paradigm. Their presence and purpose radiate hope, unity, and healing, offering a guiding light during this time of great transition. The mission of twin flames transcends personal fulfillment. It is about anchoring unconditional love into the collective consciousness, weaving this energy into the fabric of a new Earth rooted in compassion, harmony, and unity. This is not a passive journey but an active calling to contribute to the transformation of the world. As we navigate this transformative year, twin flames are being urged to embrace their unique roles with courage and clarity, knowing that their union is not only a profound personal experience, but also an essential component of the global shift. Together, their love and mission are shaping the future of humanity, creating a world filled with light, connection, and infinite possibilities. This is the moment to rise, to unite, and to fulfill the divine purpose that has been waiting for this extraordinary time. Number 2. The Mission. The foundation for a new Earth is being laid, creating space for the divine masculine to step into leadership and assist in manifesting heaven on earth. This profound transformation is driven by the energy of love, a force that aligns us with our divine purpose, empowers us to live in truth, and inspires us to embrace authenticity. Reflect for a moment. What are you doing right now that brings you genuine happiness? What actions not only bring joy to your life, but also contribute to the well-being of the earth? How are your efforts aiding the awakening of humanity and the expansion of collective consciousness? These essential questions lie at the heart of your mission. The mission of both the divine masculine, DM, and the divine feminine, DF, is deeply rooted in love, unity, and a shared purpose. Since recent years, many have undergone significant life transformations, from changing careers and moving locations to reimagining personal relationships. These shifts have served as preparation for a pivotal moment, a time when twin flames are called to align fully with their mission of union and unconditional love. Now, missions have evolved to focus entirely on fostering unity, holding the energy of love, and contributing to the creation of a new Earth. This journey invites you to step into your highest timeline, guided by what you love most. Many people wonder, how do I discover what I love to do? The answer lies in quieting the noise, listening to your heart, and recognizing what lights up your soul. By following these inner cues, you align not only with your divine purpose, but also with the larger awakening that is transforming the world. This is your mission, to live a life of authenticity, guided by joy and deeply connected to the infinite energy of love. Through this alignment, you become a beacon of light, inspiring others, and contributing to the co-creation of a new, harmonious earth. Embrace this moment, trust in your path, and let your actions ripple outward to shape a world filled with unity, compassion, and endless possibilities. Number 3, missions. If you find yourself uncertain about your divine purpose, begin with a simple yet profound reflection. What brings you joy, and what are you naturally gifted at? These passions and talents are not random. They are powerful indicators pointing you toward your divine destiny. Ask yourself, what makes your heart come alive? What would you eagerly do tomorrow, or even this afternoon, if neither time nor money were limiting factors? These questions hold the keys to unlocking your purpose. Delve deeper into what lights up your soul, what activities make you lose track of time, and what fulfills you at the deepest level. These are not just hobbies or passions. They are sacred clues guiding you toward alignment with your higher self. The year 2025 is a transformative and foundational year for twin flame unions and missions anchored in the energy of unconditional love. This year signifies a monumental shift, a breaking away from old patterns, outdated systems, and limiting beliefs that no longer serve us. These barriers are being dismantled to make space for a higher purpose and a greater alignment with the divine. It is a time of unparalleled opportunity, a chance to embrace your unique mission and step into the fullness of your being. This year calls for you to recognize the talents and passions that have been quietly whispering your truth all along. By following what truly inspires and fulfills you, you align not only with your personal destiny, but also with the larger collective transformation that is unfolding around you. Twin flames, in particular, are stepping into pivotal roles, anchoring the energy of love and unity to co-create the new earth, a world grounded in compassion, harmony, and divine purpose. This is your moment to shine, to fully embrace your divine mission, and to make a lasting impact on the world. Your purpose is not just about personal success. It is about contributing to the collective awakening and evolution of humanity. By living authentically, guided by love and passion, you radiate a light that inspires and uplifts others. 2025 is your gateway to step into your highest timeline, align with your soul's calling, and become an integral part of the creation of a brighter, more loving future. Now is the time to trust in your gifts, listen to your inner guidance, and take bold steps toward your divine destiny. The world is waiting for your light. Step forward and let it shine. As we dive deeper into the journey of discovering your divine purpose and stepping into the transformative energy of 2025, I want to take a moment to connect with you personally. Reflect on what we've just discussed, the passions that make your heart come alive, the talents that are uniquely yours, and the actions that bring joy and fulfillment, not just to you, but to the world around you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. In the comments below, share the word awaken. This word represents the powerful moment of stepping into alignment with your true self, embracing your gifts, and co-creating the new earth through love, unity, and purpose. It's more than just a word. It's a declaration of your readiness to rise into your highest potential. And if you feel inspired, go a step further. Share one thing that lights up your soul or a passion that brings you closer to your divine mission. Let's create a ripple effect of inspiration, supporting each other on this transformative journey. Your comment might spark a new perspective or guide someone else who's seeking their own awakening. Let's make this space a beacon of light and connection as we embrace the extraordinary possibilities that await us in 2025. Number 4, Reconstruct. The outdated templates that once defined the structures of Earth have been dismantled, clearing the way for an extraordinary reconstruction across all aspects of humanity. This profound transformation is not just external but deeply internal, reshaping individuals, communities, and institutions alike. It is a time of renewal, where we are collectively building the new earth through powerful grids of love, light, and harmonic resonance. These grids are the foundation of a higher frequency existence, creating a planetary shift that aligns humanity with deeper truths, greater unity, and the infinite potential of unconditional love. This evolution is not random, but guided by a divine blueprint, and twin flames are at the heart of this sacred mission. They embody the essential template of unconditional love within their very DNA, a blueprint designed to anchor a new level of consciousness on Earth. Their contributions are multifaceted, birthing the new Earth through the children they bring into the world, fostering unity within their sacred unions, and creating energetic grids of love that elevate the collective vibration. These grids are unlike anything humanity has ever experienced before, weaving together light, love, and harmony to lay the groundwork for a truly transformative future. This reconstruction process signifies the evolution of humanity as a species, where we move beyond separation and fear into a state of interconnectedness and love. Twin flames serve as beacons in this process, illuminating the path forward through their unity, their purpose, and their alignment with the divine. Together, we are co-creating a world that is not only sustainable, but deeply resonant with the highest ideals of love, compassion, and harmony. This is more than a shift. It is the birth of a new earth, one that reflects the divine potential within all of us. Twin flames are not just participants in this transformation. They are the architects of this magnificent new reality, leading humanity toward its destined awakening. Number 5. Divine Destiny. For those of you yearning to dive deeper into this transformative journey, I invite you to explore the resources provided below. In my Divine Destiny Masterclass, I have crafted a unique and powerful blueprint rooted in the essence of your DNA, designed to guide you step by step as you transition from the confines of 3D consciousness to the expansive realms of 5D, and ultimately to the transcendent state of 12D living. This is not just a vision of a better life, it is a pathway to fully embodying your highest potential, a state where your soul thrives, your purpose aligns, and your life flourishes with boundless vitality and joy. Imagine living in a reality where your business thrives effortlessly, your consciousness expands into infinite awareness, and your body radiates vitality fueled by an endless flow of love and energy. This is not a dream reserved for the few. It is a birthright available to everyone willing to step into their divine power. 12D consciousness is the next step in humanity's evolution, offering a unified experience of mission, love, and creation. It invites you to play an integral role in building the foundation of the new earth, where harmony, abundance, and unconditional love become the cornerstone of existence. This higher state of being is your key to unlocking limitless possibilities, and the journey begins with opening yourself to the unity within you. Unity of purpose, unity of love, and unity with the collective mission of humanity. In this time of unprecedented evolution, the opportunity to elevate your life, your consciousness, and your impact is here. It is a calling to step into your divine mission and live in alignment with your soul's greatest potential. Every tool, resource, and teaching you need to embark on this extraordinary transformation is at your fingertips, waiting for you below. Take the leap and allow yourself to embody the limitless energy of love, the clarity of your divine purpose, and the joy of contributing to a world built on light and unity. Together, we can create a new earth where thriving is not just possible, it is inevitable. Let's begin this incredible journey today. The year 2025 represents a monumental shift in humanity's journey, a sacred moment when we are called to rise above the limitations of the past and embrace the limitless possibilities of the future. It is a year of awakening where the energies of love, unity, and purpose converge to create the foundation for a new earth. This transformation invites us to break free from outdated templates and step into a reality that is deeply aligned with our divine missions and the collective consciousness of a higher vibration. It is a time of profound opportunity, a chance to rewrite the story of humanity and co-create a world rooted in compassion, harmony, and unconditional love. Twin flames play an integral role in this awakening, holding the blueprint for unconditional love within their very being. Their unions, missions, and energy serve as guiding lights, anchoring this divine frequency into the fabric of the new earth. This is not just a personal journey for fulfillment. It is a collective mission to inspire hope, foster unity, and ignite the transformative power of love across all of humanity. Through their purpose and alignment, twin flames demonstrate the infinite potential within each of us to live authentically and contribute to the birth of a brighter, more harmonious world. This reconstruction is not limited to external systems and structures, but also calls for a profound internal transformation. As individuals, we are invited to reflect deeply on our passions, talents, and the actions that bring us joy. These inner callings are not mere coincidences, but sacred clues guiding us toward our divine destiny. By aligning with what truly lights up our souls, we step into the highest version of ourselves and contribute meaningfully to the collective awakening. The journey toward 12D consciousness is a journey of thriving, where our lives, our purpose, and our spirits align in perfect harmony with the energy of love. 2025 is not just a year of change, it is a gateway to something extraordinary. It is a time to embrace our divine missions, step into our highest timelines, and trust in the divine power that resides within each of us. The tools, teachings, and support to embark on this journey are already at our fingertips. All that is required is the courage to take that first step, to trust in the process, and to fully commit to living a life of authenticity and purpose. Together, as a collective, we hold the power to co-create a new earth where unity, love, and abundance are the cornerstones of existence. This is your time to shine, to trust in your light, and to play an active role in shaping the destiny of humanity. The journey ahead may be challenging, but it is also profoundly rewarding. A journey toward a world where thriving is not only possible, but inevitable. The time to act is now. Step into your power, embrace your divine purpose, and let us move forward together to create a reality filled with infinite possibilities and boundless love. The future awaits, and it begins with you. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me in this journey today. Your presence here means the world to me, and I'm deeply grateful for your support and the energy you bring to this growing community. Together, we are building something truly special, a space where we can explore, learn, and awaken to the incredible possibilities of our divine purpose. If you found value in this video, please take a moment to like it and share it with others who might benefit from this message. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the exciting content we have coming your way. Each video is created with the intention of inspiring you, empowering you, and guiding you closer to your highest self.